Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a common issue many Xbox One series users face, microphone problems. Whether your mic isn't picking up your voice or it's completely silent, we've got you covered with some effective fixes. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Check hardware connections. First things first, ensure that your microphone is properly plugged into the controller or Xbox. Sometimes a loose connection can cause issues, so double check and reinsert if necessary. Step 2. Adjust mic settings. Navigate to the Xbox dashboard. Go to Settings, then Devices and Accessories. Select your controller and adjust the headset volume and mic monitoring settings. Sometimes the mic volume might be too low or mic monitoring might need adjustment. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Outdated controller firmware can also cause mic problems. Connect your controller to the Xbox using a USB cable, then go to Settings greater than Devices and Accessories greater than Device Info greater than Firmware version. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 4. Test the mic on another device. To rule out hardware issues with the microphone itself, try using it on another device such as a PC or another Xbox controller. If it works elsewhere, the problem might be with your Xbox or controller. Step 5. Restart your Xbox. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve software glitches. Power off your Xbox completely, unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and power it on. Step 6. Check Xbox Live Service status. Occasionally, mic issues can be due to Xbox Live Service disruptions. Check the Xbox Live status page online to see if there are any ongoing issues that might affect your mic. Step 7. Reset your Xbox settings. As a last resort, you can try resetting your Xbox settings to default. Go to Settings greater than System, greater than Console Info, greater than Reset, Console greater than Reset, and keep My Games and Apps. This will reset system settings while keeping your games and apps intact. Conclusion. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix microphone issues on your Xbox One series quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!